I think self-critique is a good way to point out some mistakes you make in your drawings, and it just helps improve your observation skills. So today, I'm going to be roasting my own art. Well, not so much roasting it, just pointing out anything that needs fixing. But I'll try to make it as entertaining as possible. Lego. I'm going through this online art school for digital artists, by the way. If you've been watching other videos, you probably heard me bring that up before. Nope. But this is my first complete head that I've drawn. I'm just gonna go over a few things that I think may need fixing. So first off, I think the head is a bit too small. Like he doesn't have enough room for brains inside of there. So I think that may need to be a little bit bigger. This eye right here is a bit like slightly bigger than this eye, like width wise, like probably like slightly bigger. This eye kind of has like a Forrest Whitaker thing going on right here. I think this nose, I think I could have made it like a little less blocky. Looks like a Lego piece is attached to this face right now. Probably could have just chopped off this area, make it blend in a bit more. I believe this part I could have made this part blend in a bit more also. I also think his other nostril wouldn't be showing just like based off of the way he's looking. This part probably needs to be fixed, like where the face is defined. I don't think it's like this far back, or at least it's not supposed to be that far back. What else we got? Ears. I don't think the ear is that bad, to be honest. Looks pretty decent to me. Line art on these eyes could have been cleaned up like a tad bit more. So what would I give this drawing? I give it it was my first one. I give it a 6 out of 10. I think it was a pretty good drawing, like for my first time, that is, you know. So we have these drawings right here. I think I showed some dramatic improvement with these. So we got this guy first. So I noticed I kind of goofed with the angle of the head right here. He's like looking up slightly, and I drew him like looking down. And like, what's the point of using a reference if like you're not gonna like actually go by the reference? But anyways, I kind of goofed on that part. Not too big of a deal as long as the drawing looks good. Don't think his nostril will be showing right here. The mouth should be angled more with the eyes and the nose. The mouth should be like sort of like that, not looking that direction, that like in this direction at this angle, you know what I mean. And the nostril wouldn't be like this, like it wouldn't be up like that. It'd be like down like this, like you wouldn't be able to see the opening. Pretty sure that's how like angles work and stuff. His hairline is kind of scuffed right here. Boy, I think there should be like more hair like in this area, maybe like up to like this point or something like that. So add more hair in this area, probably to like this point perhaps, maybe something like that. Other than that, I kind of like it. He looks like the dude from Captain Planet, or like the dude from like Recess or something. I give this a 7 out of 10. All right, moving on now. I actually really like this drawing. I think this is my favorite drawing so far. There's only like a few things that I can point out that I guess could be worked on here. I think the earrings need to be adjusted here. One looks bigger than the other. Like this one looks smaller here, and I don't think it's like the actual I don't think it's like the proper perspective in order to convey that this is a circular earring. A circular earring, please. Thank you. And not like an ovular one. I think ovulars will work. Didn't really follow the reference to a T for this drawing, because she's facing this direction more in comparison to the reference where she's facing this direction a bit more. And as a result, I think I didn't draw this mouth in the proper spot. If she's facing this direction more, then the mouth should shift over a tad bit. So I'm just gonna lasso drag it over here, trace this, add a line right here. Yeah, I think that looks a little bit better. Overall, I give this an 8 out of 10. Though there are like a few things I kind of miscalculated on, this isn't that bad of a drawing. I really like the line quality I put into it. I like the hair that I went for here. Very stylistic, cartoony kind of hair. And yeah, she kind of looks good.
What the fuck? Weird, buddy. You're weird.
All right. I think that's enough roasting slash flaming for today. Not trying to be here all night, and I don't want you to be here all night either. That is if you're still here. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button on your way out the door, and consider subscribing to the channel, hitting the bell so you don't miss a single Innerman classic. Also, make sure you check out the description so you can join the Discord channel and check us out on Twitch. Got links to social media and all that stuff in there also. Till next time, ladies and gentlemen, this is Innerman from Innerman Arts signing off.